I discovered gardening age 16 as a way of having an effect on the world around me, I think. It's not just the physical connection with nature, it's the ability to stand back and actually think about your place in the scheme of things. Where do you sit in this sort of ecological firmament?
Gardening is one of those areas where we genuinely never stop learning. Plants are full of surprises.
Colour is just there for a few weeks, and that's why I think structure is so important.
The first thing you have to do, alongside understanding the history of your place, is to understand the soil that you're actually gardening on.
I'm going to go fairly traditional, unashamedly looking like an old-fashioned Victorian park.
It reveals the landscape in a very soft way, so you come past these plants and then it opens up, but in a way that you really love it.
Hello, I'm Annie Guilfoyle. I'm a garden designer. This course is going to take you through, step by step, the way to organise and design your garden.
I'm on the New York High Line with Piet Oudolf, the designer of the planting of this incredibly successful project.
We get people from all over the world doing the courses. It's becoming almost like a global community for gardeners and planting designers.
Garden design is a really multidisciplinary occupation, really. I sort of embrace that.
Nothing is beyond bounds. We really can create the most fabulous spaces if we're prepared to share our knowledge base.
These interactions you have with nature make an indelible mark on your memory. Over a period of time, you build up extraordinary expertise in this engagement with nature, how to grow things, how to get enjoyment out of things. So I think that this, I hope, gives people a lot of ideas to work with and a lot of enthusiasm to go away and try things.